Problem 5, drawing and interpreting a linear graph. This one's related to biology. The number of times a cricket chirps per minute depends on the temperature. The number of chirps in 2 seconds for two temperatures are shown here at the right. So we can see for a temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit and a recording time of 2 seconds, there were 0 chirps. And for a temperature of 93 degrees Fahrenheit, in that same 2-second period, there were 8 chirps. So part A, what graph models the situation? First, we need to find the number of chirps per minute. So keep in mind, we were given the number of chirps in 2 seconds. So we need to multiply by 30 because there are 60 seconds in each minute. So first, find the number of chirps per minute. 40 degrees, well, that was 30 times 0, and that's 0. And for 93 degrees, 30 times 8, 240 chirps per minute. Next, we'll let x equal temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll let y equal the number of times a cricket chirps. We can plot these 2 points similar to the way that we plot the 2 intercepts in the previous problem. We'll plot 40, 0, and 93, 240, and draw a line through the points. Part B, what is an equation of the line in standard form? Well, we need the slope. Slope, remember, equals rise over run, or change in y direction over change in x direction. So 240 minus 0 over 93 minus 40. That again was simply using the slope formula. Simplifying, we find that's approximately 4.5. Now we'll use point slope form. We know 2 different points, and we've calculated the slope, so it should be easy to plug these values in to point slope form. Remember, point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. We get to choose one of the points. 40, 0 looks like a good one to work with, and we substitute those in place of x1 and y1 along with our slope of 4.5 for m. Y minus 0 equals 4.5 times the quantity x minus 40. We simplify that. Y equals 4.5x minus 180. And finally write in standard form. 4.5x minus y equals 180. Finally, part C. If the temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit, how many times would a cricket be expected to chirp in 1 minute? Well, we'll let our input value x equal 70 to represent 70 degrees Fahrenheit and substitute. Y equals 4.5 times 70 minus 180. And that's 135. So we can state in a complete sentence, if the temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit, the cricket would be expected to chirp 135 times in 1 minute. Your turn. The office manager of a small office ordered 140 packs of printer paper. Based on average daily use, she knows that the paper will last about 80 days. Part A, what graph represents this situation? Part B, what is the equation of the line in standard form? And part C, how many packs of printer paper should the manager expect to have after 30 days?